vine to add to your garden. One that does well in Oklahoma is Bignonia capreolata, also known as crossvine. Now, it might look similar to the wild trumpet vine that we see often growing along the country roads, but this is actually a different genus species than the trumpet vine. This particular vine, crossvine, does really well in Oklahoma. It prefers full sun, but can be pushed into the shade a little bit. As you can see, it just gets covered with these beautiful tangerine flowers in the springtime. And it is, this particular cultivar is called Tangerine Beauty. Now, there are a couple of other cultivars on the market that have some varying shades of color to them. The foliage is semi-evergreen, so in the fall when the temperatures start dropping and get a little cooler, they're going to get like a purple cast to the color. And then they'll persist through the wintertime until the temperatures really start dropping, and then you might see some of that foliage fall off. This plant makes for a great vine to trellis onto things with its tendrils, or you can even use it as a ground cover as well. You can see once it's established, it makes a pretty woody form, and it's going to be a really drought-tolerant plant for you.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.